If drawing often feels confusing or disappointing, there's a good reason. Our brain is very good at shortcuts. When it sees an object, it quickly replaces it with a symbol. A cup becomes a simple shape in the mind. A face becomes an idea of a face. This is helpful in daily life, but it gets in the way of drawing. Drawing what you see means slowing down just enough to notice real details instead of mental symbols. It does not mean drawing better, it means looking longer. This matters because once you start noticing real shapes, angles, and spaces, drawing becomes calmer. You are no longer trying to make something look right. You are simply responding to what is there. There's one simple idea behind this: look more than you draw. When you look more, your hand has better information. When you draw too quickly, your brain fills in gaps with guesses. Looking breaks that habit. There are few gentle parts to this idea. First, your eyes lead. Your pencil follows. If your eyes stop, your pencil pauses too. Second, drawing is slower than thinking. That is normal. Let it be slow. Third, mistakes are information. They show you where you stop looking. For example, if you draw a mug and the handle looks wrong, it is not because you are bad at drawing. It is usually because you looked at the idea of a handle instead of the real shape in front of you. When you look back at the object and compare gently, you start to notice small things. The curve is wider than you thought. The angle leans more than expected. Those discoveries are success, not failure. Here is how we will do this together. First, we will notice a common beginner habit that pulls us into guessing. Then, we will shift into looking more than drawing. Finally, we will add a few simple observation habits that help this stick. This flow works because it replaces pressure with attention. You are not forcing improvement, you are allowing it. If this idea helped you feel a little calmer about drawing, that is a really good sign. If you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take a full class free for a month using my link below. It continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including beginner drawing and creative habits. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clearer or calmer helps more beginners discover this. And if you have questions, you can always ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who feels stuck starting to draw, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.